Hey everyone, Kensurfs here. It's Friday, the end of the week. We're in the shave den and we're going to try a new product today. This one had been requested many times, but it's like I didn't have time to get to it. It's amazing you take time off work and then suddenly you have time to get to stuff. So today we're going to be looking at the Cremo Barber Grade Shave Experience Razor. This is available on their site, but I picked up this one for $17 shipped from Amazon. And we're going to give this a try today. I'm going to be using just familiar products. I didn't want to make this a Cremo commercial, so I didn't want to use they have soap, they have brushes, and you've seen me, I've used them before. In fact, there's a Cremo brush right back there, the horsehair brush. I'm going to use a little mellower brush today, a little higher end brush. I'm going to use from Rich Man Shaving, and I'm going to be using this synthetic today. I really like the color of that handle. Rich really, comes up with some cool handle colors. I've got another one of his right here. So we do use the Rich Man Shaving brushes more often. All right, let me pour a little water into the crystal skull here. We'll put the brush right in there. There we go. Soaking. Getting ready to go. Oh, and I'm just going to use some, regular soap and aftershave today on the reasonable side. Barbus. You've seen me use Barbus quite a bit. And it's always kind of my go-to when I'm just doing, a shave where I'm reviewing the razor. I don't want to make everything in the review about the review today. So we'll try that out. And it is a cartridge razor. I know, but a lot of you want to use it and a lot of you do use it. So I've never used it. I'm going to see how it is. All right. And it is sealed, as you see. So I am going to use one of my birthday presents, the Spyderco. Let's open this up. Slice that. Not slice my finger. All right. Oh, 2 tabs. Well, it is an unboxing, right? I'll try that one more time. 2 tape tabs. All right. Oh, come on. Shirley, you can't be serious. I am. And don't call me Shirley. All right, here we go. All right, so let's see what we get. I'll set this down for a second. Drop it into the water. I've got some kind of plastic in there, and what do we got here? Well, there's some paper in there. See? Dang. And it will not come out. It must be on the cardboard. All right. Oh, there. It's a flip open. Go figure. Bloopers live. All right. Well, it fell into the sink. Looks like they give you 1 extra blade, and it looks like it's a 5 blade, and it's got their lube strip on it. And here we go. It's wet because it fell in the water. Cremo Company. Got their embossed logo on there. Let's see here. Let's take, oh, there we go. Take the cap off, and that is what pivoting razor, that's what it looks like. So we'll be using this today. See, first time opening it, right? If I would have rehearsed that, I would have opened it beautiful and I would have showed you the presentation case, but hey, how did I know? Now you know if you're opening yours. All right. And the Barbus soap is a hard soap. So let's get this shave started. Wristwatch check. I have the new Series 7 Apple Watch on there because I use it to track my exercise, my jogging, bike riding, walking the dog, keep track of the calories, and it really helps. All right, here we go. This is the classic scent, Barbus. I think I've used this year. Yeah, classics and like you would find at a barber shop. That's why I chose it with this video. Although I've never had a barbershop shave before. My cousin goes every 2 weeks. Gets a straight razor shave. But I'd rather shave in front of you. Smells good. All right. It's got a grippy handle. It's rubber. Now I noticed the end unscrewed. I'm not going to mess with that. I think that you could just take the sleeve off there. Okay. All right, let's give it a shot. Of course, you would expect that with a cartridge razor. Now, I don't buy cartridges anymore except the classics for my, Sensor XL. But I went to their site and they want $14 for 4 of these. And I'm not quite sure how that compares with the Gillette. Maybe you can tell me. And if you've used these, I would appreciate it if you tell me when you go to buy your refills, do you buy them from Amazon? Do you buy them? Where's the best deal? So if somebody's watching this video and they plan on buying this and you already use it, maybe you can tell us and people read the comments and we can find out where the best deal to buy cartridges is. Like I said, I got mine off Amazon. I'm hoping my neck is sufficiently healed that I do not open up those cuts again from 2 days ago. Feels okay. It's following the contours of my face real well. I'm just rinsing it out in water, as you hear. I'm not using my Shave Rescue brush, but just by shaking it out, it has cleaned a lot of the whiskers out. All right. That was basically one pass. I'm telling you, you don't need a second pass. It's overkill. But if you want a true BBS, it's not going to hurt. Yeah, I definitely did not need that. And I'll have the links to all of these in the description of this video. Oh, see the, that's their coating coming off. See it? That's that slick coating. Yeah, there it is. Slick coating coming off. That was totally unnecessary. Damn. You would do yourself, I think it would be very difficult to intentionally cut yourself with this razor. It's, as you see, it is pretty darn slick, even with other people's shaves. So yeah, man. Very slick. Okay. Well, I don't know if it's the soap, the Barbus soap, or if it's the Cremo cartridge itself, but left my face really soft. No nicks, which I didn't expect. A new cartridge razor shouldn't give you nicks unless you've got some skin irritation, a scar. So my cousin has, he says he has a scar on his chin and he always cuts himself, but he used the DE and it kind of shaved the scar down. He didn't bleed, so I don't know. To each their own. All right. Well, it worked pretty darn good. Let me put on some aftershave. We'll see how the burn feels. Oh, not too bad. It's got a bit of a burn, but not too bad, which means it didn't take the top layer of my skin off. Extremely smooth, gents and ladies. Extremely smooth. Yeah, it looks like I got 4% of the viewers or the subscribers are ladies. So, ladies and gents. Very nice. Yeah, well, I can see how this could be, no, I'm going to take this cap off. I have to see. I'll probably drop it in the sink. Let's see why this cap unscrews. Oh yeah, takes off the sleeve, see? Takes off the sleeve, so no real purpose. If it was me, I would have just made that a permanent fixture. But probably clean out the, yeah, if you get this wet, you can probably get junk in that tube. So yeah, it's for cleaning. All right. There you go. Well, no complaints here, except price of cartridge, of course. But like I said, a lot of you still use cartridges. You shave your head, ladies shave their legs, guys shave their face. Not everybody uses a DE blade. They vary, but you can't go wrong with that. First out of the box, first time use, no complaints. Hey guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you all again very, very soon. Stay safe. Bye for now.